As I rest against this cold hard wall, will you pass me by? Will you criticize me as I sit and cry? I had fought so hard and thought that all my battles had been won, only to find the war has just begun. Is he not strong enough? Is he not pure enough to break me, pour me out and start again? Is he not brave enough to take one chance on me? Please can I have one chance to start again? Will my weakness fall and now make me suffer for a lifetime? Is there any way to be made whole again? If I'm here renewed and find forgiveness, find the strength I've never had, will my scars forever ruin me, not God's plans? Is he not strong enough? Is he not pure enough to break me, pour me out and start again? Is he not brave enough to take one chance on me? Please can I have one chance to start again? He took my life into his hands and turned it all around. In my most desperate circumstance,